Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi, and again I'm welcoming you in our another class. So what we're gonna learn in this class, this will be a very important for you all. Not for, since you're a beginner, you also need it, and if you are in the top level, so you also need it. Mainly this is very important in BDMO or problem solving in mathematics. So let's get started. So first of all, we will read the question first, then you will try to solve, okay, but then you will watch on this video. So anyway, let's read the question first. Find the sum of the first 50 natural numbers. So here you can see a series, okay, series, this is a series. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... then plus 50. So mainly here this means this is going like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. In this way, this will go to like 45 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50. So till this. Then we have to find the from 1 plus 50. So will you find like 1 plus is 3, 3 plus then like this is 1 plus is 3, 3 plus is 3 is 6, then again 6 plus 4 is 10, then again 10 plus 5 is 15. So will you do like this? Of course not. If you want to do like these steps, so you will need so many times even, and if this is like this is 50, just suppose when you have here 100 or over of these, then what will happen? Can you imagine? So you won't apply this logic actually. Now I will teach you a formula how to find. Okay, so let's see that first. What will be our formula? Okay, so look at the board. So if you apply a formula, then you can find this very clearly. That is a very common formula in mathematics or in series related problems. Mainly, of course, this is a series related math, and then you have to know this formula. That is n, okay, into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is not for every type of series. Suppose you can be see a series like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, then ... 49. So this is an arithmetic series, of course, and this is a sum. But here, this is not like natural number. You have to find what is the natural number mainly. Natural number means serially. A number is going serially. That is called natural number. And of course, that is from 1, and then that will be like n. So that means that is called natural number. And here, the n means what is your last number. So what is our last number here? Our last number is 50. So put the value and solve the math. So we know that our n is 50. So 50. So here will be 50 plus 1. What will be that? 50 plus 1 will be, and of course, here is no sign. That means this is into. And 50 plus 1 means 51. And then divided by 2. So now what will you do? You will multiply this and then you will divide it with 2. So what will be this if you calculate? Okay, anyway. If you calculate this, so and here for easiest thing, you can do one thing, that is you can cut or you can divide this with 2. So if you divide this, so you'll get 25. Okay, so if you want to calculate this, so you'll get of course you will calculate in a rough side, then you'll find 12 and 75. That means 275. So this is your So this will be your required answer which you need actually. So now you can write this is your answer. Okay, so I think you all understood this, and because just this is the main formula actually. Okay, this is the main formula. I'm writing it again, that is n. Oh no, why it is disturbing? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is our main formula. If you apply this for any natural number series, here is natural number. Of course, this should be a natural number. So you can find the answer very easily. So that's it for today. I think you all enjoyed this very much. And this is of course a very basic formula. You all have to know this. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Focus on your study and ready for solve any problem. So Allah Hafiz.